Oh God. Fuck.
You right?
Get back in your car!
What?
It's not safe! Get back in your car!
What you doing here?
Our car broke down.
Right.
Well, we can take a look at that for you. Can't we?
Yeah, I think we can do that.
I appreciate that, but we're good. I called the RAA, and they should actually be here at any minute.
The RAA ain't come out this far, mate. This is your battery. Yeah, pop the hood for us. Get out.
No.
Why not? I've been helpful.
You have to listen to me. It is not safe out here.
You're right about that. Get out of the fucking car.
Dad.
I can't do that. I can't do that.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Just take this. Get back in your car and just get out of here.
Get out.
Dad!
Out you get.
Fucking
Come on, stop! Out you get.
Get out of the fucking car!
Out of the fucking car! Get out. Get out. I'm gonna fucking help you, mate.
Get out of the fucking car!
Out you get.
Guys, just stop.
Stop. Out of the fucking car!
What's happening? Dad!
Fucking hell!
Jaden.
What is it?
It's Mary. She turns into a wolf sometimes.